Hello, beautiful people. I am back to show you how I did this style. I saw it originally on TikTok. It's just puffs created with rubber bands, and I had to try it. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I started out with my hair blow dried and stretched, and I just parted it down the middle. It is clearly not perfect, but that's okay because you won't even be able to see the part. But in this shot, I'm showing how I parted my bang. I really wanted this to be geometric, so I just did some geometric shapes in the front and some flat twists. I can do a flat twist tutorial in the future if you're interested in that. But here's the technique that I really want to show you. So I start by rubber banding the section that I want to be a braid, and you don't want the rubber band to be too tight because you're going to be driving your crochet hook through that. So I still have a little space, and here I drive the crochet hook through, and I'm taking a section of this equal Cuban twist hair. I will link it in the description, but you just take a section and crochet hook it through, and then you go in and take another section. You will find that the equal Cuban twist hair is separated into these sections, so it's not easy to know what I'm talking about once you get the hair. But you just take two of those sections and you drive it through, and then you just use a rubber band to create the puff. My puffs were about an inch a piece. You can do yours smaller or bigger, it's up to you. But you can see from the puffs on the side of it, this was like a last minute shot, but there you go. You just use the rubber bands, and then here's the bottom. At the bottom, all I do is just create one last loop. It's nothing serious. That's it. It's so easy to do. It's such a simple technique. You just do that last loop, and then you have your whole puff braid. And I did this throughout the entire back of my head. I did not put any of these in braids. I simply just rubber banded and then did the crochet hook technique, and that's how I got all of these beautiful puffs. Here's some shots right when I got it done, just showing you how it looks before I put the jewels on. Still a super pretty style, and I was just trying out some different styles in it. And then later on, I actually did do the jewels, and they really woke up the style. But you can do the jewels or not. As you can see, it looks good either way. But I'm just so happy that this style came out so nice, especially on my first try. Guys, I've never done this. You can do this too. Try it out and let me know how it goes. I'll be doing hair videos like this every week, so subscribe for more.